Hey everyone and welcome. So I'm going to be showing you how to add countdown timer onto your Shopify. So first you need to search in here for countdown timer on your app store, and this is going to be really fast and easy. You can see we have multiple different available. So I'm going to be installing Essential Countdown Time Bar since it does come with a free plan and it's totally free. So yeah, we're going to be installing that. So just wait for a couple of seconds until it is going to be loading. Alright, so once it starts its process, you need to create a new timer. So let's just select product timer name. Let's just say 24 hours. Sorry about that. And then we have time hurry up. So this is the title and subheading. Now you're going to be selecting different other stuff as well. And yeah, so you need to continue on design. So this is the design. I'm going to be keeping this how it is, and typography, different other stuff, and placement. So it is going to be showing up on all products. Click on publish, and now let's just see how it is going to be looking on the front end page. Let me just open that up, and I'm going to be refreshing my product page over here. And you can see currently it is showing in stock and everything. And if you scroll down and click on add to cart, okay, so it's not showing up because we have to activate the app first. So head over to this section, and you can see it is currently activated from this section. Now let's just head over to our product section again. Alright, so over here you can see our timer is now nicely being represented. So that's how easy it is. I hope this helps.